So you got some calves, and now you need a place to put them. Kind of help protect them a little bit. AKA a calf hutch. Bro, can't do nothing without Jimbo. We're going to show you a simple, cheap way to build a calf hutch for any baby calves, bottle calves that you may have.
All right, welcome back to Oak Haven Homestead. I'm Zeke. When you get your calves, first thing you gotta do is find them a place to stay. So what we like to do is find them some shade out of the sun and get them out of the elements. But if you don't, that's what we're gonna show you. That's why we're building these huts, to keep them out of the elements. Let's grab some pallets.
Now, like Zeke said, we got the pallets. We like to use pallets because they're free. You can always find somebody trying to give pallets away. They work good because you only need these for a couple of months. The biggest thing here, though, when you get these, you need to inspect them. Like this one here. This one has the screws sticking out of it. So you want to make sure that you go over these really good before you put them together for your hutch. That way your calves can't hurt themselves on it. So, well, we're going to go and we're going to inspect all of these. We're going to look at them. And then when we come back, we're going to start putting this together. We have 2 calves, so we're building a double hutch. With these, we have 7 pallets. So I have 2 for the back, then I have 3 for each side walls, 2 for the top, and we'll put a tarp on it. So let's get going. So we like to start with the back wall first. We'll have these 2 pieces here. They're not put together. We're going to secure it with some screws, and we'll have our center partition piece. Very important. Make sure there's nothing here sticking out, nails or anything that will hurt the calf. So Zeke is going to hold this for me, and then we're just going to run a screw through here. There we go. We'll put it together like that. So we secure these up, and then what we'll do is grab one of those. We'll put on that end. So then we'll stick it up here. Yeah. So then we'll put that one in like that. Then we're going to lay 2 pallets on the top that'll help hold the tarp, so when it rains or whatever, it doesn't sink the tarp in. So we're not going to waste your time with that. We're going to go put this together. We'll be right back.
Well, here we go. Short and simple, quick build hut. Didn't break the bank. All it took was a couple pallets and a couple screws. Next thing we got is we're going to take a tarp, throw it over this so that it keeps all the elements, all the rain out. And after that, we're going to add some cattle panels that we have over there so that we can get them out in a little space, and then throw some hay in, and they'll be good to go.
So we got our tarp on. Now we have completed our hutch. We got our hay in there. Give them a nice soft bed to lay down in. Tarp, nothing fancy. This is a Harbor Freight tarp. I think it's a 10 by 12 or a 10 by 14 that we just folded in half. Long ways. We laid it over. It's secured with some screws. So we put some screws in here that we use to pull it tight with, because you know the wind's going to beat it up regardless. But our experience in the past, this has done well for us. These tarps are cheap, so if they tear up, we just throw them away. We got 2 cattle panels. We use 2 cattle panels to enclose the area. That gives them some space to walk out in. What we do on one side is we pull the cattle panel all the way to the back, and then we tie it with some tie wire on here, and then we join the 2 panels together at the front portion of the pen. We just kind of sew that in. We got these tied together, and then this side is the side that we use to enter and exit the pen. So we put a screw here because this panel will slide inside the pallet, and then the pen here, and we have these bungee cords like so that we utilize to kind of put some tension on that panel. Now, I mean, if they wanted to push through it, they could, but we've never had any problems with all the calves that we've done this way over the years. So this is our simple setup that we use for our calf hutches. We'll keep them in here a couple months. Jim Bob's going to this, butcher here in a couple days. So we'll slowly integrate them into our pasture area, but we don't like mixing our calves with our older bovine. So we keep them separate, but keep them close so they can kind of learn each other. But that's it. That is our cheap DIY calf hutch setup that you too can try at home. Very inexpensive. And worst case scenario is you just throw the hutch away. You might have 20 bucks in it. Keep the cattle panels. You always use cattle panels. And keep your calves out of the sun when there is some sun, and as well out of the rain. So that's it for us here at Oak Haven Homestead. Thanks for joining us. Give us some comments on things that you might like or don't like about what we do, or something that you do that you think could help us. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.